Suppose I am a resident of USA. I am in a country US. I have a company. Suppose I have a bottle making company. Bottle making company. For this bottle making, I have taken license of patent from company X. Company X, I have taken license for making this bottle. I am a company Y. Company Y, I am making a bottle by licensing under X. Suppose I have in my license written, I will import that to India. Or suppose I have sold that bottle in US market. In US market, I am selling this bottle now. I am in US only. I am not talking about India in this part. I am selling in US market. Then one of the consumer bought this product in $5. He is then selling to one of his friend in India. He is selling this bottle in India. He has courier this bottle to India. If suppose he has courier this bottle, then what will happen? This person will not infringe this patent. This person will not infringe this innovator X patents. Innovator X is having patent P for manufacturing the bottle. But I am taking from market and I am selling to my friend, or I am selling to one of the person in India who is requiring this bottle. So if I am selling this, then I am selling suppose to him in $10. Maybe I am making profit. The rights of this innovator X is exhausted when he give the license and the patented product was sold in the market. So his right is exhausted when the product reaches the market. So this is called patent exhaustion. The rights are exhausted. First sell. In this part, I am entirely in US. First part, suppose any competitor company is there in US. Suppose company Z is there, company Z, who is also making the bottle without taking license from company X, without taking license. If he is manufacturing the bottle, this company is infringing. This company will infringe patent P.